Hi everyone and welcome to... If you've been following my blog, you probably read that I post a recipe of paper clay. Well, to tell you the truth, I'm not very happy with it. I did try it on my hat, the late 16th century hat I'm also doing, and I've also posted on my blog. And whilst applying, all is fine, but then after drying it sort of sinks. So I guess the glue, whatever, it's whatever. But suddenly I thought about mixing into the mix. So this mix, this is the paper, the toilet paper with the oil and I think it's called in English or American, whatever, poster glue, which comes in flakes. So into that mix of poster glue and toilet paper and a tiny bit of frying oil, or just some oil, I add wood glue or wet glue, and it's just perfect. Doesn't sink, doesn't crack. Well, didn't crack before, and it gets even smoother, and guess what? Dries even faster, which for me it's fantastic. So I'm not very into measures, but the thing is to put enough white glue in order for the paste to be creamy. So it's not, probably it's not really a paste to model, to construct, but it's lovely to cover some surfaces, some armature. Say for example, I've been doing this apple. This is that recipe, and of course it doesn't get rock solid, because hey, it's not rock, it's just paper, but it's good enough. And yeah, soon I'll finish it and I'll post it on my blog too. So until then, it's ciao for me.